In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add a clock widget to the desktop of your Mac. Now this will work on a MacBook, the iMac, or any of these Mac Studios or Mac Minis, doesn't really matter. Now I'm running the latest version of macOS, which is macOS Sequoia at the moment, and all I have to do is right click an empty space on the desktop, and then from the right click menu, click on Edit Widgets. Now that's going to bring up this widget window. So on the left hand side, go ahead and find clock, and then you have all these clock options you can add. You have analog clocks, you have this city clock, you have different types and designs of city clocks. So for instance, let's go ahead and add this city digital clock, or this one. Okay, let me add this one. So I'm just gonna click on it, and it's gonna get added to my desktop. Now I can just click an empty space for that window to disappear. And now I have my widget, which I can drag to any position I want on my desktop. Now, if I want to, I can also right click and click on edit widgets if there's something I need to edit. So I can just click on that and I can edit whatever it is that I need to edit. Maybe even remove the widget and add another one. But that is basically how to add a clock widget. Now, some clock widgets allow you to resize them depending on which one you picked. So for instance, if I come here to back to the widgets window, come here to clock, and maybe find this one. So this is a multi-city clock, which shows the time in different areas. Now for this particular one, if I right click on it, you can see I have the option to make it smaller or the option to make it medium. Some will have the option to make it even larger, depending on which widget you pick specifically. Now also, you can choose edit wall clock so that you can edit the cities of which you want to see the time on your wall clock. But that is basically how to add a clock widget to the desktop of your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.